Ready, take one. Take two.
2,000 years later.
Take 999. This is the script, right? Okay, have fun. Hi guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel, BitSpace by CyberRap. Myself, Siddhu Chelluru, and I am the founder of CyberRap. Guys, we can't do this intro. Let the AI make this video for us.
In a world where the digital realm reigns supreme, a new force emerges. Welcome, brave souls, to BitSpace by CyberRealm. We are the seekers of knowledge, the architects of tomorrow. Our journey begins here, in the heart of the digital universe. Within these digital walls, we craft tutorials that unlock the secrets of coding, projects that defy the limits of imagination, and discussions that ignite the flames of innovation. Join us as we delve deep into the realms of Python, JavaScript, HTML, and beyond. From beginner basics to advanced techniques, we leave no stone unturned. Behold the wonders of our creations. From AI-powered chatbots to interactive web applications, the possibilities are endless when you dare to dream in code. And fear not, fellow adventurers, for you are not alone on this journey. Together, we embark on epic live streams where we tackle challenges, troubleshoot code, and celebrate victories as one united community. So heed the call, brave souls, and join us in the pursuit of knowledge, creation, and innovation. Subscribe to BitSpace by CyberRealm, and together we shall forge a future limited only by our imagination. Welcome, one and all, to the dawn of a new era. Welcome to BitSpace by CyberRealm.